Hello everyone! We're back again for another topic. Are you ready for another learning session? Now let's get started! Hello students! I hope everyone's doing great. This lesson will help you learn what modals are and its different kinds and their functions. You will also learn how to use them appropriately to express different intentions. Today, we're going to learn about modals. Diana could speak 3 languages. She can speak fluent Spanish, Korean, and English. It might rain today, according to the weather forecast. I may be late, but I am prepared for the quiz. The underlined word in the sentences are modals. Now, what are modals? Modals, also known as modal verbs or modal auxiliaries, are irregular verbs in English. They function differently from normal verbs that normally express a condition or show an action. Modals give a different function to the main verb and are used for special purposes as to express certainty or possibility, show willingness, an obligation, a necessity, and to express an ability. Here are the examples of modal verbs. Must, a strong obligation. Example: we must follow government protocol on wearing face mask. Must not, a prohibition. Example: you must not smoke in public places. Can, a permission, less formal, a possibility. Example: I can speak both Spanish and French. Can I use your laptop, please? Could, an ability in the past, a polite permission. Example: when I was younger, I could play Chinese garter. Excuse me, could I say something? May, a possibility or probability. Example: it may rain today. Might, a polite permission, a probability, and a possibility. Example: I might go on a vacation next summer. Shall, suggestions or promise. Example: you shall be the first person to know. Should, an advice. Example: you should seek a doctor because you're not looking good. After our discussion, I want you to reflect on what you have learned by answering the following questions. What are modals? What are the special characteristics of modals? And what is the specific function of modals? Alright, we should always remember, modals are an auxiliary verb that expresses necessity or possibility, which include must, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, and might. Modals do not change in form, which means it could be used for both singular and plural subjects. They are also followed by the base form of the verb. Before we end our discussion, let's do a self-check. Write the correct modals in the blank to complete the sentence. Number 1. I didn't feel very well yesterday. I blanked eat anything. Number 2. You blank look at me when I'm talking to you. 3. I was using my cell phone a while ago. It blank be here somewhere. 4. You really blank be late again. And 5. Call her now. She blank be home by now. Now let's check your answer. Number 1. The answer is can't. I didn't feel very well yesterday. I can't eat anything. Number 2. The answer is must. You must look at me when I'm talking to you. Number 3, the answer is may. I was using my cell phone a while ago. It may be here somewhere. Number 4, the answer is must not. You really must not be late again. Number 5, the answer is might. Call her now. She might be home by now. Thank you for participating in this very important discussion about modals. See you in our next class. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to get updated for more video lessons.